Okay, guys, here's our revised drawing for the kitchen. Looking straight down on this, starting off with the island, we have 82 inches of countertop this way and about 39 this way. This is 3 feet. That line represents 3 feet from the corner to this countertop. And on the other side, that red line represents about the same thing, 3 feet. I wouldn't get any smaller than that. But we've got the island size you were after. Microwave, standard cabinet. This cabinet is facing in this direction. Going to a 3D view. If we're looking at the island, we have this cabinet with a glass door and a panel on this side. So it's only open from the end here. You can't open this side. It's a panel. Standard cabinet, microwave on the left. No waterfall on this side if we do this cabinet here. We will have the waterfall here. And then paneling, wood paneling on the inside in here. Looking at the face of the island, this is the side of the cabinet, the glass cabinet facing the other direction. That's why it's not showing up. But your microwave and the standard cabinet. Looking at the cooktop wall, the hood per the size you ordered, which will fit. Tray divider, spice pull-out, drawers under the cooktop. And I cannot find a cabinet door that is polished brass. I've looked and called, and I cannot find one. We can find one that is yellow or anodized or painted brass, but it's not a high gloss brass. It's just a yellow looking door, which I don't think is what you guys are going to be after. The closest thing I could find is a color like this, which is what they're calling modern brass, but that is not a high gloss brass. So one option, these are the doors for 86 and 88, lower doors only. My understanding that you guys were wanting brass. But if we did an inset or an inlaid piece of brass, maybe a 1/4 inch or 3/8 wide, and we'd cut a groove in the door and inlay the brass, and that's going to look something like this. Like that there. That might work. Put it off to the side, not right in the center, so we can put the hardware on center. Mirror on the back, glass shelves, and then all the glass doors. The inset glass is all clear. That's our cooktop wall, double oven, warming drawer. These are glass, solid doors. This cabinet here, which is a pretty wild shape, but to fit in that corner, glass and glass. And your sink wall. Glass, your sink, if we can set it back. And I don't know where that trash, but there's a cabinet there for the trash that just disappeared. I don't know. Standard cabinet with your drawers, the 45 degree, the sink cabinet, 45 degree, and dishwasher. All right, let me know what you think of that. Thank you.